Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to unbox a Canon EOS 200D, which you can't see because I'm showing the wrong side. Oops. And we're going to do that just now. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. Open the flap, lift this up. Okay. We have a safety procedure manual. We have a massive user guide. We have a warranty pamphlet. Lift this main flap up. We have the neck strap. We have a power cord. We have the battery. Presumably that's the battery charger. I guess that's the lens. And presumably this is the main camera. So let's move this to the side just now. Yep, definitely main camera. Take this out. Okay, you can see we have the Canon EOS 200D. We have our shoe up the top for additional flash. A lens cover, and obviously to protect where we put lens on. Here's our shutter button. Presumably that's for the ISO up and down, the different modes, and the power. Over this side we have the Wi-Fi connect, and we have the microphone hole, presumably. Although it looks like a USB icon that's on it. Maybe that's just me. Over here we have an indicator light. Down this side we have a mic input and shutter input. I'll just leave that there just now. I'm going to add more depth when I actually start using it. An HDMI port over this side, and a USB port, and the connection for the shoulder straps at each side. On the back we've got a display record. Presumably that's for video. Again, I've not used this, I'm not a camera person, so this is going to be a complete new experience for me. And various other buttons, including a delete and a play button, and the rest I'm not so sure about at the moment, and a swing out screen. Like so. Presumably that turns round and can fold back in. Yes, it can. Okay. Let's put that to the side just now. We have our battery. I believe the QR codes, well, I don't know what they're for, but presumably it's for reordering. This type of battery is an LP E17 OTH. I believe this is the lens. Yeah. This is the 18 to 55 lens. It's currently set at 18. It has autofocus and manual focus and stabilization on and off buttons, but the rest is pretty much normal and indescript. So I'll place this in the bag just now, just for security. Alexa, stop. Here we have the battery charger, again with the QR codes. This feels quite plasticky, but it's pretty nondescript. A charge light, a full light, and a figure 8, sorry, power connector. A standard figure 8 power cable. And a shoulder strap, Canon branded. So there we go. That was a quick unboxing of the Canon EOS 200D. I've said before that ITSnippets was about me learning something while teaching other people things, and learning how to use the DSLR from scratch. We'll definitely cover that. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.